Alright, this video is how to replace a mower blade for a Troy built TB330 725 EXI 163cc. This one does have the rear wheel drive, and here's the model for this particular one. Model 12AK C3A 3766. You know, there's so many different models to lawnmowers, so I just wanted to point that out real quick. And as you can see, I had this step that I was ripping apart, and what I did is I just put wood here to lift it up, put a couple pieces of wood here to keep it from sliding forward. That way I get into the bolt right there. I believe that's a 5/8 socket, so I'm gonna go grab one. Alright, got some vice grips here to hold the blade so the blade hits it, and then the 5/8 on a ratchet. You can use a open wrench, whatever you got. That's 5/8. See if I can do this on camera. And I did also unplug the spark plug. Mosquito trying to get me. Alright, there we have the blade. And check that out. I hit a wood stump and it tweaked it pretty bad. So I gotta go pick one of these up at the local Home Depot or wherever I can grab one. Make sure you take it out and put it in the same way. This one's got the blade part on this side, and you can see where the mower is. So make sure when you put the new one in, put it in the same way. If I was to do this wrong, it would be to put it in that way, which the blade would be on the wrong side. See that? So you want to have the blade pointing that way. Alright, just got back from the local Home Depot, and what you need is a 21-inch blade. I just happened to get in stock Troy built brand, which is the exact same one that it had on there. And you can line it up to it, make sure that, you know, everything is the same on it, and it looks real good. So now I'm going to go install this back on there, and here's the part number 9420741 by Troy Built. They're in stock. I paid it was $15.98. Alright, remember the way that you took that one off. Install this one the same way. Take this little piece, shove it in there like that. There's two little tabs on it. They slide right in there. It's pretty hard to get this wrong. And then mount it up. Alright, now I'm going to use my ratchet and tighten this up. Got that real nice and snug there. And you can see I use the vice grip to hold this thing going that way too. Take your vice grip off. And we are done. Pull this thing off and get back to work. And I'll blow this thing off with the air compressor because it's kind of gunky and dirty as well while I'm at it. Alright, plug this spark plug back in here. And we'll see if it starts up. All fixed.